If you're experiencing an installation loop with CS2, follow these steps to resolve the issue efficiently. This guide will help you troubleshoot and complete the installation process. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for CS2. This includes checking your operating system, RAM, and available disk space. Step 2. Disable antivirus and firewall. Temporarily disable your antivirus software and firewall settings. Sometimes these programs can interfere with the installation process. Step 3. Run as administrator. Right-click on the installation file and select Run as administrator. This can help bypass any permission issues that may be causing the loop. Step 4. Clear temporary files. Clear your temporary files to eliminate any corrupted data that might be affecting the installation. You can do this by typing disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and selecting the appropriate drive. Step 5. Re-download the installer. If the issue persists, delete the current installer and download a fresh copy from the official source. This ensures that you have the latest version without any corruption. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the installation loop and successfully install CS2. If issues continue, consider seeking further technical support.